Without our PhD researchers working with us, we wouldn't be able to conduct the experiments, to do the field work, to publish the papers.
The experience and knowledge developed in the past decades and the proven capability of delivering technology for the society is placing the University of Nottingham as a world-leading university in the engineering field.
The university really stands out for me because it gives such a multidisciplinary approach to research, particularly in engineering. I came from a physiology background into engineering, and there wasn't anywhere else that was going to give me that opportunity.
Research is important because this is the way in which we find solutions to everyday problems.
We're really fortunate to have strong links with some of the big global companies as well as national companies in engineering.
The University of Nottingham stands out because it provides students with a lot of opportunities to develop their careers with training and expertise.
I chose to come to Nottingham to do my PhD because I actually came here for my master's and I was blown away by the student experience as well as the academic experience, so I opted to stay.
We do have campuses around the world, and our PhDs are able to also undertake some external exchange opportunities in some instances.
I chose to do a PhD away from home because I wanted an opportunity to explore the world and get to see how different cultures work.
Research is important because it allows us to explore ways to improve safety in a more complex world.
Nottingham stands out for me because of the brilliant team of experts I work with.
Nottingham is green.
Nottingham is friendly.
Nottingham is great.
Nottingham is international.
Nottingham is vibrant.
Nottingham is global.
Nottingham is supportive.
Nottingham is home.